Tolino Epos 3, or should I say the Kobo Sage? Well, that's not entirely fair because they are technically different even though they're made in the exact same place. This is the Tolino Epos 3, and it is the same thing as the Kobo Sage 8-inch e-reader. But they are saying it doesn't have that note-taking layer. It is an 8-inch device with a smart light, and it has water protection, as they said. What level of waterproofing that is will all be revealed in the review. It has an ultra-fast quad-core processor and 32 gigs onboard storage. It isn't much of an unboxing because this literally just snaps open like that, but let's look at it all the same. What do we have here? I do not know how this opens. I genuinely do not. It does look like it is a pressure clip there, and everything slides out like so. It doesn't feel like there's anything else in there. You have your Epos 3 start manual, or Schillen Starten Lugen, and you have your warranty information or guarantee. Oh, that's probably where that word came from because it's the same. So you want to hold on to this because this obviously tells you how to use it. It tells you how to connect Wi-Fi, and this is important for all of your warranty purposes. So hold on to that stuff. Now we're going to put this off to the side just for a second. Yes, I can tell you just from holding it for a second, it's the same thing as the Sage. Although the back might be different because typically Tolino devices use a different backing. What's in the rest of the box? First, it looks like I can pull this up. No, that's glued down, but I can pull the USB up. Okay, there you go. Now, they do use the same kind of braided cable that Kobo uses, so that's very nice, except they actually write Tolino on there, and it is USB-C, so that's all very nice to know that they're not going backwards and using micro because, well, no one uses micro anymore. So I love and hate to do this. I still have my factory sealed kind of plastic on my TV at home, but for the review purposes we must do it, and because obviously it is a screen protector that is only meant to cover it for transportation, not for the actual protection of the screen. It is supposed to be a matte screen. Now on the back, yes, the waves are the kind of traditional Tolino design. Now the perforation is very nice, so it doesn't leave fingerprints, but it catches dust. As you see there, immediately dust goes in there, and it's very hard to take it out because it's falling into the little tiny holes. That's a little bit of a downside. And you do have that very nice signature glass power button on the back. You have USB-C on the side, nothing on that side, nothing on that side, nothing on the top. Let's go ahead and do a first time startup just to show you guys what it all looks like, but we obviously will save the bulk of that for the review. And you also have the physical page turn buttons there. Now I'm just gonna say, after we do this unboxing video, we are going to do some light internal testing to see if there's something we can do to utilize the Kobo stylus. They themselves have said it doesn't have note-taking, but if it is the exact same thing, they might have actually turned off or restricted the EMR electromagnetic resonance layer, aka the note-taking layer. They might have restricted it via software and not actually removed it via hardware. So we're going to be doing some testing. We'll click on English and see if we can just bypass everything. It looks like we can by just saying set up e-reader later, skip over all the hints, and there we go, we're into our Tolino. And that is way better than a Kobo just for that purpose. You can't even get into a Kobo now unless you log into it. Granted, Kobo does give you a lot of ways to log in. They give you Walmart, they give you Adobe, they give you Facebook, etc. However, this one you could just skip over all that, which I really do appreciate. So yes, this is going to be covered into the full review. We have web browser, we have glow light, we have all that fun stuff. We'll cover all of this in the full review. Oh, look, we have a dark mode. That's really cool, really exciting stuff. This is everything that comes in the box with the brand new Tolino Epos 3 by Tolino themselves. If you guys have any other questions, comments, or concerns, leave them down below. For GoodyReader.com, this is Peter.